Hello, I'm Al Jackal. I'm the owner of Pinellas County Painting here in St. Pete, Florida, and I do a complete painting service, interior and exterior. We pressure clean roofs, pool decks, sidewalks, complete interior, exterior painting. We're residential specialists and we're local. We've been around for over 30 years and we look forward to serving you.
Yeah, Al is our go-to painter. He's done all of our painting personally, and we refer him to all of our clients. And we're just amazed at the amount of people who think that they can paint themselves. And I'll tell you what, we can walk into a house and in 10 seconds we can tell you whether or not it was a professional painter. So when you need a profession done, get a professional. And Al's our painter, so you can count on him. And if any of you have any service providers that you're really enthused about, definitely let us know. Thanks.
Thank you.